In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create boards, lists, and cards in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects, whether you're working solo or as part of a team. It's intuitive and easy to use, making organizing your ideas a breeze. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com, which is the Trello homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you have one, or you'll need to sign up if you don't. For now, let's assume you have an account, so go ahead and click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. This step is essential because you'll need an account to save and manage your boards effectively. Next, a new page will load prompting you to log in. You can choose to log in with your Google account for convenience. Just click on the Google login option and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Google account with Trello. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Trello dashboard containing all of your boards. To create a new board, locate the My Boards section. Typically on your dashboard's main page, you'll see a small plus sign icon, plus. Click on this plus sign and a pop-up will appear, prompting you to name your board. Naming your board is crucial because it helps identify its purpose or project. For example, you could name it Marketing Strategy or Personal Goals, depending on your needs. After you've named your board, the next step is to click on the Create button. Once you do this, your new board will appear in your list of boards. Now that you have a board, it's time to start organizing with lists. Lists are columns that help structure your tasks like to do, in progress, and done. To create a list, simply click on the area that says Add a List, found towards the top of your board view. Enter the name of your list, something descriptive but concise. After typing in the name, click on Add List. Your new list will now appear as a column on the board. With your list set, it's time to add cards. Cards are the individual tasks or items within your lists. Look for the Add a Card button, typically at the bottom of each list. Click it and type in the name of your card. For example, you might enter Create a Video if you're working on a media project. Finally, hit Add Card to add your newly named card to the list. And there you have it. You've successfully created a board, added lists, and included cards in Trello. This easy method can help you manage tasks and collate information efficiently. As you get more accustomed to Trello, you can explore its many features like adding due dates, labels, or comments to make your project management even more robust. Happy organizing!